As you can see, we are sitting here on empty gas cylinders because I don't think any of us have the wherewithal to get these cylinders refilled. So they are best kept as showpieces. We are perhaps now looking to use them as tools. Maybe the next time you come, we will place some of these for you, for your comfort. We'll also place some cushions. I think this is perhaps the best use of empty gas cylinders. We expected this government to bring down prices. What do they do instead? Prices are further escalated by 25 rupees per cooking LPG gas cylinder. At some point in time, this government has to answer very, very pertinent questions. Why are you anti-people? Why are you raising prices? Why are you not rolling back the excise duty hikes? And I want to lay some bare minimum facts for your consumption. This government did not just increase prices, they also lie through their teeth. The Prime Minister gets up and says, because the previous governments were importing, I'm helpless. That is absolute nonsense. This is absolutely a big lie. Because the Prime Minister, under his very nose and in his tenure, our imports of crude oil have gone up from 83% in our tenure to 88% in their tenure. And it is not because we are consuming more. Actually, due to the economic slowdown, we are consuming a lot less. Our consumption growth rate has dipped from 6.7% to 2.2%. It is because he has ensured that ONGC explores less. ONGC had funds worth 12,000 crore rupees earlier. ONGC is now left with exploration funds of only 6,000 crore rupees. Why have those funds been halved? ONGC, which was sitting on cash reserves of 11,000 crore rupees, today has cash reserves of less than 1,000 crore rupees because they made ONGC forcibly buy HPCL, and because of that, ONGC has been left with very, very little cash reserves. So why are you so anti-people? Why are you not rolling back prices? And this government has the audacity to lie about subsidy on LPG cylinder. The reality is that this government has made market and control prices same. It is the difference between market prices and control prices which is the subsidy. So if you were paying 794 rupees as market price for LPG and the controlled price was 500, you would have got 294 rupees as subsidy. But this government, because it has raised prices so often and so frequently, from December to now, prices have gone up by 200 rupees. LPG cylinder in Delhi now costs 794 rupees. And because they have been raising prices so frequently, the market and the control prices are the same and there is no subsidy. So Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, firstly, stop lying to the country about paying subsidy on LPG cylinder. And it is very evident. In your budget this year, Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman has put fuel subsidy at 12,000 crore rupees, which is 1/3 of what it was last year. So the path we are going to take, the direction the fuel policy is headed in is very, very simple. There will be no subsidies. There will be no relief for the common man. You are being burdened by an economic slowdown. You may have seen job losses. You may have seen wage erosions. But too bad, this government doesn't care. This government now wants you to be burdened under very steep fuel price bills, whether it is petrol, whether it is LPG, whether it is diesel. Mr. Modi chooses to name stadiums after him, stadias after him, but he forgets that the only century he has scored in his life is perhaps the century he has scored in the prices of petrol, shooting above 100 rupees per litre. So any sensitive government will answer the 4 questions that I'm raising. Why are you not rolling back excise duty? Because it is under your control. States are cash crunched. You are sitting on 7 lakh crore worth of state finances. You have consistently raised special and additional excise and reduced basic excise. That's the only excise you share with states. So you have starved states of funds. That's the first point. Why are you not rolling back the excise? Why are you consistently lying on subsidy? Because there is no subsidy on LPG. Market and control prices are the same. Why are you lying about import of oil? It has gone up in your regime from 83% in 2014 to 88%, in fact, over that now. And why are you so anti-poor, anti-people? That's the one big question that I think the country wants to be answered today. This government will be served well if all those people who were taking to streets and protesting will do something similar today. But I think being in government, getting the comforts, getting used to the luxury of being a minister, perhaps make you oblivious and perhaps make you blind towards the plight of the common people. But it is these common people who have put you in positions of power, and it will take no time before they pull you out. Thank you. We'll take questions suo moto first. उत्तर प्रदेश से पहले मैं कोई सवाल अगर इस पर आज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एलपीजी पर हो तो मैं ज़रूर आंसर करूंगी। सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश में महंगाई नहीं है, आज महंगाई पूरे देश में है, और महंगाई का मुद्दा इसलिए और भी भीषण हो जाता है कि इस समय रोजगार नष्ट हुए हैं, वेतन लोगों के घटाए गए हैं, कम हुए हैं इकोनॉमिक मंदी के चलते, और उस पर कमर तोड़ महंगाई। मुझे बार बार वो लाइन याद आती है, मैं शायद पहले भी यहाँ पे बोल चुकी हूँ, बड़ी एक फेमस लाइन थी पीपली लाइफ की कि महंगाई डायन खाए जाते हैं उसके, लेकिन पहले वाली लाइन थी कि सखी सैया तो खूबे कमात है। ना सैया कमा रहे हैं ना हम कमा रहे हैं, लेकिन महंगाई जो है वो कमर तोड़ रही है। तो महंगाई मुद्दा सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए नहीं है, पूरे देश के लिए मुद्दा है। जो दिल्ली की हुक्मरान है वो बैठे हुए हैं और उन पत्थर के घरों में बैठे हैं जिसके आगे उनको दिख ही नहीं रहा है। अगर वो बाहर निकल कर देखें तो उनको पता चलेगा कि लोगों के लिए कितनी दिक्कतें हो गई हैं। अगर वो बाहर निकल कर देखें तो वो देखेंगे कि क्यों 10 से 14 उज्ज्वला सिलेंडर रिफिल नहीं हो रहे हैं, क्यों वापस लोग आज चूल्हे फूंक रहे हैं। वो देखें तो ये देखें कि क्यों कंजम्पशन, जो ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ कंजम्पशन होती है ईंधन में, चाहे पेट्रोल डीजल एलपीजी हो, वो क्यों घटता जा रहा है, क्योंकि लोगों के पास आज पैसा नहीं है। 794 रुपए का सिलेंडर दिल्ली में है। अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले महाराजगंज फोन करके जानना चाहा वहां पे सिलेंडर का रेट कितना है। वहां पर सिलेंडर का रेट लगभग 900 रुपए है। 900 रुपए में गांव में कितने लोग सिलेंडर भर सकते हैं, इसका जवाब मुझसे बेहतर आप जानते हैं। I appreciate your question, but I'm not going to nail you for the blame. We have been consistently raising our voice against this, even at the level of district and tehsil headquarters. The reality is that sections of the media will not show you that. Sections of the media will not amplify that like they did when we were in government, and rightly so. The media is the fourth pillar of the democracy. You are supposed to raise questions of pertinence. You are supposed to raise voices of the common man. I am not apportioning any blame on you, but I wonder how many channels are today showing the district level protests that are happening as far as steep fuel price bills are concerned. I don't think too many. Sorry? I think you showed much more than you are showing right now, but your point well taken. I think the common man is reeling under a lot of pressure. It is our duty to point it to the government of the day. The government of the day can either choose to be sensitive and respond to it, or the government of the day can choose to be insensitive, egoistic, and drunk on power like they are, and instead of reducing it, they're actually increasing prices. It tells you how they feel about the plight of the common man.